Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Today topic case study videos. The case study of right now the petrol engines and the diesel engines major drawback for a middle class family, and also it's maybe suffer our atmospheres. So air pollutions, water pollutions, noise pollution. We should take the good remedies for eliminating this type of this type of activities. So right now we could find out good solutions for avoiding this petrol and diesels. We cannot eliminate 100%, it is impossible, because most of the people cannot buy in the vehicles right now suddenly. So we find out the alternative solutions for inbuilt the battery inside the vehicle. Sometimes the vehicles running in petrol. After drawing the petrol, they can rotating by running by using the battery. So we find out the alternate solutions for producing the current in saving the battery and the power provided to the battery, the vehicles running. Okay, this is the one sources for remedies.
Okay, sir. So my point of idea is while driving the vehicle, while first we have put the 1 liter of petrol for driving such a distance. Then afterwards the running of the wheel speed is to be converted into battery energy and stored in the battery. Afterwards, after drying of the petrol, we want to use the battery stored energy into for vehicle moving. What is your point, Karthi?
My point is our sir told the main point is the battery is fitted additionally fit the vehicle. It's a good idea. My idea is battery capacity is high. Size is the vehicle. Size of the vehicle high, and the battery size is high.
You told me additionally any parts for keeping the battery.
Battery size.
Battery size. Designing for the battery.
Designing for the battery size. High size, big size battery is fitting on the vehicle, and the power is getting on the vehicle high. So the vehicle traveling distance is long distance. We can enable.
We can running a long distance
of the
on the road.
I had a point on Karthi's topic, sir. So nowadays all cars are coming into hybrid technology.
That's right. Now the hybrid technology vehicles coming in the past 1 or 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Before 5 years manufacturing, or before 5-10 manufacturing, that time no hybrid vehicles coming on the road.
Yes, sir.
So we should convert the hybrid vehicles.
Yes.
That point of view, our case study.
The hybrid vehicle is going and moving on through like first petrol is first using 60 kilometer speed. Next the 60 kilometer after the solar is using like a hybrid technology.
It's good idea for the solar or another alternate solutions.
So in future, all the petrol diesel sources are minimized in the world. So we want to keep moving to the EV source. So we want to try for environment for EV source.
Haris.
So when we increase the battery capacity,
Pausing.
This cost is estimation.
So you told the cost is very high, so middle class people buying the
vehicle is not
installing the battery, so they feel some difficulties in economy. Okay, but petrol cost is very high. Daily they are using the vehicle more than 50 kilometers, 60 kilometers. They during the petrol is 1 liter 100 rupees. So daily they spend the money 100 rupees. It is one of the difficulties. So avoiding that purpose, we should alternate solutions for this term.
Our friend Hari said battery cost is so high. All the cost is additionally adding to service cost is battery vehicle is so low. Adding to that point.
Battery vehicle is eco-friendly and it's natural friendly. Or we can purchase the battery vehicles EV for future generation. it's good for everyone.
And the main disadvantages for EVs is the battery cost is very high, sir. Compared to IC engines, the battery cost is very high and the maintenance also high.
So these are the drawbacks.
Yes, sir.
We see the drawbacks. We cannot installing this battery. My point of the situations, because we installing that battery for the alternates for daily they are spending 100 rupees for 50 kilometers. Okay, the monthly 30 days they are spending more than 3,000. The 1 year cost of battery we can save.
But we cannot destroy the electric waste.